In this tutorial, I'm going to take a look at the divisibility rule for 3, how you determine for any given number whether that number is divisible by 3. And the rule is this: for a number is divisible by 3 if the sum of the digits is divisible by 3. Okay, so I've got 5 examples here, and we're asked to, are each of the following numbers divisible by 3 or not? So, we would start with the 56 is the first example. So we add the digits. 5 and 6 add to 11. Now 11, so now after you add the digits up, you ask yourself, is that number divisible by 3? Now 11 is not divisible by 3, and since it's not, the sum of the digits isn't, that means that 56 is not divisible by 3. So the next one, 348, actually I'll bring my calculator. So we add 3 plus 4, plus 4 plus 8, and that adds to 15. So 3, 4, and 8 add to 15. So, and 15 is divisible by 3, so that means that 348 is divisible by 3. Next example is the number 1005. So we're starting to get into bigger numbers. This is a 4-digit number, so we add 1, 0, 0, and 5, and you could really skip the zeros, I suppose. You could just go 1 plus 5 is 6. Now 6 is divisible by 3, so because the sum of the digits is divisible by 3, that means that the number 1005 would be divisible by 3. Now for D here, we're getting into a quite a bit larger number. So we would add 3 plus, I'm not going to bother the 0, 5, 7, and 4. Okay, so the sum of the digits, 3, 5, 7, and 4, and 0 if you want to, is 19. So the sum of the digits adds to 19. Now 19 is not divisible by 3. So that means that the number 30,574 is not divisible by 3. Now, now generally this is going to be a relatively small number. Now, if you didn't remember your multiplication tables, is 19 divisible by 3 or not, you could take the 19 itself and add the 1 and 9 to get 10. So 10 isn't divisible by 3, so 19 isn't divisible by 3, so 30,574 is not divisible by 3. Okay, so when you add the digits together, you get a number and you're not sure, you could use the test on that number as well. Okay, so the last number is 142,458. So we're getting larger here again. 1 plus 4 plus 2 plus 4 plus 5 plus 8. So I added the digits 142, 458. And so that adds to 24. And remember, 24 is divisible by 3 because it's 3 times 8 is 24. See, it is a multiple of 3. So 1, 4, 2, 4, 5, 8 add to 24. 24 is divisible by 3. So that means that the number 142,458 would also be divisible by 3. So that's the divisibility by 3 rule. Add the digits together. And if the sum of all the digits is divisible by 3, then the number is divisible by 3. That's the end of the tutorial.